Happy National Burger Day. Please enjoy this dramatic performance of his cheeseburger from VeggieTales. He said to her, I'd like a cheeseburger, and I'd might like a milkshake as well. She said to him, I can't give you either. And he said, Isn't this Burger Bell? She said, Yes, it is, but we're closed now. But we open tomorrow at 10. He said, I am extremely hungry, but I guess I can wait until then. 'Cause you're his cheeseburger, his yummy cheeseburger. He'll wait for you. Yes, he'll wait for you. Oh, you are his cheeseburger, his tasty cheeseburger. He'll wait for you. Oh, he will wait for you. He stayed at the drive-thru till sunrise. Now, he may have dozed off, yes, once or twice, when he spotted a billboard for Denny's. Bacon and eggs at half price. Well, now, how could he resist such an offer? He really needed something to munch. Cheeseburger, please do not get angry. He'll eat and be back here for lunch. 'Cause you're his cheeseburger, his precious cheeseburger. Be back for you. Oh, he'll be back for you. Won't be so long, cheeseburger. Oh, lovely cheeseburger, be back for you. Oh, he'll be back for you. Because he loves you, cheeseburger, with all his heart. And there ain't nothing gonna tear you apart. Thank you. And happy National Burger Day. Wait. Am I a burger? No, not at all. I am a performer. Come back later for more. Goodbye.